Hey guys, this is Joe with S17, and today I'm going to show you how I use the TexTack with the Leatherette from JDS. So it comes in a 2x24 sheet. What I do is I flip it over, and you can kind of see that it's too big for my heat press. My heat press is only a 16x20. I take the yard of TexTack and I cut it to fit this sheet here, so it'll line up exactly there. So the first thing you have to do is peel off the cover. There's a protective sheet on this right here, so make sure you peel this off. Some people forget to do that. So peel this off, and that goes in the garbage. If you're unsure about which side is the adhesive, you can use your fingernail and scratch it. The acrylic side, or the carrier sheet, is going to be very smooth. The glue side will be not sticky, but you can kind of grip it a little bit. You can see that you can dig your finger into it. That's the adhesive side. So what we're going to do is we're going to place this down onto the piece, the full length of the piece. And when I do it, I need just to wait for my heat press to get up to heat. But what I do is I bring it down to, I don't know, I let about 8 inches of it maybe hang off like this. And then I cover it with the cover sheet. I press it. Then, after it's pressed, I peel the cover sheet, I peel the carrier sheet away. I flip it over. I press the last piece that I have to press, and then I peel off the rest of it. So once the press gets up to temperature, I'll continue. Okay, now that the temperature is up to what I want it to be, I want it to be about 300 to 305. I'm going to cover this. Like I said, I let it hang out about, I don't know, 6 to 8 inches or whatever I want. And I'm going to push this in. So it's set for 5 seconds for a pre-press, normally on a t-shirt, but I'm not doing that. I'm going to do it on this Leatherette. So I'm going to let it beep a little bit longer than normal. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the carrier sheet and peel this off here. When I get to this point here, there'll be a point where I can't peel because I didn't press it yet. I'm just going to take a pair of scissors and cut this off here. So no big deal on how far I get. I'm just going to cut it across. Set that aside. Now I'm going to flip this around so I have this little piece left that I haven't pressed. I'm going to cover this once more, and I'm going to bring this down because I don't need to heat up all this. I'm just going to heat up this last little piece here. Push it in. Turn this piece off. And then I just let this piece cool off, but it has the adhesive and ready to laser.